2, 1, go!
Match number 21 here, the Western New England District event. We're seeing some contention in the neutral zone with 230 and 195, both trying to fill up their hoppers for autonomous, both sending fuel up in the air, streams and streams of fuel here. 195 coming back for a second launch, coming back to the neutral zone, going over that bump, trying to get in one more dump of fuel in before we enter the teleoperated period and drivers take control. A little bit of human player action from the Red Alliance. We're going to see that hub action finally shift to red. Blue trying to dump some fuel in, but unfortunately that will not count if your hub is not active. The red side here trying to get those fuel from the center field. 230 coming back with a hopper full of fuel. Blue Alliance working together, trying to ferry as much of that fuel over to their side, getting ready for their shift of the hub. Red human player going up and in, just barely bouncing off. They're going to try to make another shot here. The robots are going to try to help score some fuel as well. 230 and 8567 coming here with hoppers full of fuel. It is now time for the Blue Alliance, and they're going to put that fuel that they've stored away for use. 8709 coming here with a hopper full of fuel. Their alliance partners are putting it up and in. 195 putting streams and streams of fuel up. The score is 150 to 57 in favor of Blue. One more load of hopper of 195 and 8709 on the blue side before play shifts back over to the Red Alliance here. All three robots clustered. 230 trying to go out into the neutral zone, grab some of that fuel, reload, and come back to score in their hub. They want to take control of the score. 230 is coming back, getting a little bit stuck, but they make it back through. Looking like we have one team slightly stuck, 195, but they make it back as they rush back to their hub for its activation period. Big collisions between 195 and 230 in the neutral zone here. Robots crashing against each other, trying to stop each other from scoring. Rosie Robotics coming back, trying to push that fuel alongside their hopper full into the blue zone for their alliance partners. We are just about to enter the end game where both hubs are active here. Rosie Robotics coming back into the neutral zone with their hopper. Looking like they might have a bit of fuel stuck into their shooter, so they're going to act as support for their alliance. Here on the red side of the field, we're seeing human players go up and into the hub. Big serve from 230 as they come back and score more into their hub. The score is 203 to 112 unofficially. We're going to see how that shakes out in these last 10 seconds of play. Blue Alliance going up and in, trying to score as many as they can. Galehawks in the center, pushing that fuel back, coming back to their side of the field as time expires. You've got your scores coming up on the board. This match is going to go to the Blue Alliance. We're going to see a score of 213 to 116 in favor of Blue. Blue is going home with 4 ranking points, 3 for the win, 1 for the Energize. We're going to see 195 and Pathfinder Tech. 195 is going to keep their position on seed number 5. Pathfinder Tech and Rosie are both going to go up into seed number 3 and seed number 20, respectively.